Welcome to One Golden Harvest Cottage. It's a lovely name for a beautiful cottage. We're just outside of the village of Uploman. This super 4-bedroom home, ideal for couples or families, sits in half an acre of gardens. So if you want a bit of the good life, then this is one not to miss. So if you're looking for some space outside of the home, then this studio cabin is the perfect place. We're in the gardens, lovely, with the house close by, but as you can see, it's incredibly flexible. So if you do need to have a bit of space and privacy to do some work, great. Or perhaps it's a place where you want to turn into a bit of a snug or a den, children can play. The opportunities are absolutely endless. So outside we've got half an acre of garden, so if you have children, it's a perfect place for them to play. If you fancy a bit of the good life, grow your own, again, it's super. You can track the sun all day round when the sun shines, of course. This is one not to miss. Give us a call on 01823 653 919 and we'd be delighted to show you around.